Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to save videos to a USB flash drive. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, plug in your flash drive to your computer. Okay, now go ahead and check this PC, and then you'll be able to see USB drive. Okay, so you can go ahead and open it up, as I'm going to show you two ways on how to transfer videos. So here we have the flash drive window. Just keep it open. Now go ahead and find the video that you would like to transfer. For example, this video right here. Now first option, click on it, make sure that it is highlighted. Now just drag and drop it, okay, to the blank space right here. Just wait for the process to finish. Now another option, right click, copy, click on a blank space on your flash drive's window. Right click again, and then just hit on paste. Wait a bit, and depending on the size of it, the time will vary. And that's how simple it is to save videos to a USB flash drive. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.